to the kingdom of Yakipur, where the famous, filthiest, messiest queen ever lived. No other kingdom in the world was as disgusting as the kingdom of Yakipur. Yakipur's Maharani, Queen Yaki, as she was called, was known to have the worst table manners ever seen or heard of. ओए, आ गई! होशियार खबरदार! यकीपुर की महारानी पधार रही है! पधार गई है! Sorry. महारानी का पेट गुड़गुड़ कर रहा है। महारानी के लिए खाना पेश किया जाए। Dear Queen of Yakipur, King Chintamani of Chintanagiri is pleased to inform you that he shall be gracing your halls with his gracious presence. He looks forward to having a great meal and fulfilling conversation with you. ओह अच्छा, वो पधारते रहेंगे। दावत शुरू की जाए। जो हुक्म महारानी। Slowly, as the queen begins to eat, the royal table transforms into a horror comedy show. With each bite she takes, we recoil further and further away until utter horror. Everyone at the royal table tried to cover up their disgust with bouts of sneezing and coughing. Some tried to avoid looking at the queen directly, so they stared so hard at their plates that their eyes began to water. महाराजा चिंतामणि आ गए हैं। होशियार खबरदार, महाराजा चिंतामणि पधार रहे हैं। पधार गए हैं। Sorry. Welcome चिंतामणि जी। खम्मा गनी. Lunch was served with Maharani lifting the bowl of soup to her mouth to glug it down. Some of it trickling down her chin. Then she would stuff her mouth with roti, squish up her rice, and take fistfuls of vegetables and gobble them all up. Even before she got desserts, she had a special way of eating her favorite sweets, rasgullas. She would throw them up in the air like a juggler, and then she would try to juggle, spring the sticky syrup all around. Some she managed to catch, but some went plop on the ground. These she would quickly gobble up. Maharani might be yucky, but not wasteful. Get me the finger bowl. Oh, Maharaja Chintamani, I hope you enjoyed the food. Enjoyed. Pleasure is all mine. Pleasure. For you, Maharani. At the end of the meal, the Maharani will wash her hands on the rope, then wash your hands in the finger bowl and drink the dirty water from the finger bowl. Beautiful for you, One, two, three. Let your Lord, let's take your look. When I grow up, I want to be just like our Queen Yaki. I am already like her. I haven't taken my 10 days, so I wear 20 days. Amen. You. Fine, you win. The Maharani had been searching for a suitable groom, so she sent out invitations to the princes of the neighboring kingdoms to come and join her for tea. Prince Sukhman from the neighboring kingdom has arrived. Hello, Prince Sukhman. Hi, Maharani. Thank you for inviting me. How do you do? I'm doing great, thanks. So tell me, what are your interests? Well, I enjoy enjoy reading, horseback riding, and Rishgulas. Apart from reading, I think, what are future plans, Maharani? Well, the future is on tea and pastries are on the way, and I need a groom to share them with. Did you say something? No, Maharani. I mean, here are our favorite tea and cream. Too late. What do you mean? See for the sad. Do you want a pastry? No, thank you. I'm on a diet. Not my type. You are so filthy. More pastries, please. Many brave hearted visited the kingdom of Yakipur to seek the hand of her queen. Maharani Yaki ने Prince Rukman को चाय पे बुलाया है. But Prince Rukman soon realized his mistake and he was horrified. The song of this but a warning. Run away before it's too late. Until Maharani Yaki began eating with her open mouth. Prince Rukman exclaimed, "Oh, you are the disgusting. No wonder you are called Maharani Yaki." Like that, another prince fled, leaving the Maharani zoo. Queen Yaki, tired of waiting for a groom, decided to take matters into her own hands and set out to find a perfect match. She decided to travel across the country to find her old groom at the ancestor at the castle of Tukimar. While she was waiting for the king in the great hall, she heard a soft tick tick toot sound over and over again. Curious, she looked around and following the rhythm and sound, and she came across a strange mound. Written off fingernails. The sound seemed to be coming behind the mound. She peered over it and jumped back in excitement. There sits a boy dressed in fine visitor, biting his fingernails and spitting them out. Oh, what a wonderful sight! Oh, I'm in love. My son Prince Icky attended the prestigious Prince Academy where he excelled in unique habits. But we have tried everything to stop biting his nails, but nothing works. We worry he will never find a bride. I love him just the way he is. I want to marry him. Really? You'd marry him despite his habits? Yes. I believe we are meant to be. His ickiness is perfect for my yuckiness. Icky beta, come and see who's come to meet you. Oh, such a beautiful queen. Oh, I'm in love. I wish she chooses me to be a groom. Oh, if she does, I'll be on cloud 9. Oh, I'm so in love. Will you marry me, Prince Icky? I love to. Maharaja and Maharani padhar gaye hain. They spent the day happily together. But while the royal couple lived in a bliss of mess, the people of Yakipur were fed up. On top of that, the Maharaja had added his own decree. All nail cutters are banned from the kingdom. I allow my services to ignore anyone's toenails or fingernails if they want. Then the news came that Maharaja and Maharani were expecting a baby. Their subjects were overjoyed. Look, finally there was hope that someday there will be a new head below the ground, someone not as icky or yucky as the royal highnesses. Look how the people rejoice. They love so much. The fateful day arrived, and into this welcoming world came a beautiful baby girl. But they soon realized that she was just as icky and yucky as her parents.
Maharani and Maharaja named their daughter Maki.
On the stage, please.
I'm coming.
Where are you? Okay. Come. And let's take a bow. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Raghav sir. Thank you, Miss Praha, for working with these children. So we have a mixed bag, as you can see. We have little children, and they're literally ascending in height. It was a pleasure working with them, but I know the parents had to also really work hard at home with the lines, especially with the little ones. But it all worked out well today, so congratulations, everybody.